Welcome back to Monarch Garden, folks. Fellas, ladies and gentlemen, subscribers, viewers, supporters, sponsors, growers, dabbers, everybody that show Monarch love. You are ready, you are ready, you are ready. Today, we got an unboxing for y'all. So, we're not even gonna waste no time. We just gonna dive right into it. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a big ass box. You say it, and there we go. We not wasting no time. We gonna dive right in and see what we got right here. Bear with me. Yes, sir. So, we gonna get right into it. We gonna get the cutting. We not wasting no time, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we got one box open. Okay, it's my humidifier. So we got a box inside of a box. So let's get this up out of here and let's take a good look at it and see what it do. This supposed to be the best of the best of the best. I had the best of the best before, but I messed that one up with the calcium buildup and all that other stuff because I was not using this, ladies and gentlemen. I was not using this or something like this in this nature, but we got it now, and we went and I tried to cop the same humidifier I copped before, but come to find out, we got something that's better than that now. So you know your boy Monarch gonna go for the best of the best of the best. So let's take this up out of here and let's take a good look at it. Bear with me. All right, so I got it up out of that big ass box. So let's take a closer look at what we got here. Let's take a closer look at what we got here. You see it, ultrasonic. Large capacity. You see it. Yes, sir. So let's grab that box cutter again and let's start the cutting again. Bear with me. Let's get this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get, yeah. All right, so we got this open. Oh, damn. I think I cut this. Oh, now we good. All right, what's this? It's some type of filter, some type of cleaner or something? We have to we see some wires. All right. So let's get it up out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it up out, because I see all types of foam. It's gonna be hard for me to get it up out of here. So bear with me. Okay, we finally got it out the box. Now we got these two foam things on it. Let's see if we could take these off real quick. Bear with me. Okay, damn. Finally got the foam stuff off of it. Now, what we working with? We still working with some, man, we got to get this plastic up off of it too. Can we get, let me see if I can, there we go. All right, so what do we have here, ladies and, this is the front. Let's turn it around and see what we have here. Let's turn this thing around. Okay, let's back it up. Oh, that's the front right here. Let's go in a little bit. Let's go in. There go the name right there. That's the name right there. Yokekon. I guess if that's how they pronounce it. You know me. I just pronounce it the way I see the words and the letters. It could be pronounced differently. But what's supposed to go here? Bear with me. I think we're supposed to get like a tube thing right here. I don't see that. Bear with me. Yeah, bear with me. Where's that tube thing? Let me see if I can lift this up. Okay. Only the top came off. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to try to lift this whole entire thing right there off. I'm gonna have to try the only place left for me to look is inside of here into the tank, to see if that tube thing is in here. Most likely that's the only other place left for me to look. It's not inside of the box. You feel me? But I need both hands, so bear with me. Okay, I took it off and voila, it was in there. That's the only other place for it to be. You know what I'm saying? So let's hook it up real quick. Let's hook it up, fellas. Yeah, we also got this stuff that we gotta look at. This is some type of a sponge. Something like you can wash dishes. You know how this is. Something like you can wash dishes with. We got the cords. I guess this is the power cord. Okay. I like how the power cord could come off of that. The other one I had, I think the power cord was attached to it. And here go the remote. Nice colors. I like that. I like that. I like that. And this the book, the manual. Okay, okay, okay. So let's see what's up with that. Let's see what's up with that. Let's get to that and see how that operates. First, I'm gonna have to read a couple of instructions. You know what I'm saying? And then get to it. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. All right, all right, all right. So it's finally done, hooked up, ladies and gentlemen. It's done. I already got water inside of it. I even mixed it with some enzyme, the cleansing one, and I followed the instructions with this and put some of this inside of it. So no more calcium buildup or none of that. The water was kind of bubbling up. I kind of like that. So you could tell those chemicals or whatever they are is fine, is working to clean up that water to make sure I don't have no problems. Yes, sir. So here's the remote. I got it plugged in already. So let's turn it on and see what happened. Oh my. Oh my. Turn it down. That was a lot of mist. That was a lot of mist. A lot of mist. Let's turn it back off. And look, it's so much mist. We got it all around here. Kind of, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled up some. So I don't think it was made to operate like that. So let's see. We're going to put this on there. We're going to put this on there. So bear with me. Bear with me. Let me hook this up properly. All right. So let's see if I can just, let me stick this in there. All right. All right. So let me turn it back on. Voila. That's what we talking about. That's what we talking about. None of that mist not supposed to be like right here. You know what I'm saying? With all this electronic gadget. You don't want all that moisture too close to none of that electronic stuff. Next thing you know, mess your stuff up again. You don't want that. You feel me? But right now, I like it. Look how much mist coming out. Let me turn it down. Put it on 1. Yeah. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, we got one more piece, ladies and gentlemen. We do have one more piece, which is this right here. Let me see if I could just stick this on with the camera in my hand. Let me see if that, it's kind of tight. It's kind of tight. It's kind of tight, ladies and gentlemen. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Oh yeah, I put that thing on. And this is cool, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. How they got this where these are adjustable. You could turn them in whatever direction you want them. So if the unit is inside of a corner, you could just turn it into 3 directions. If the unit is in the middle of a room like how it is now, you could have it in all 4 directions. Look, we getting the mist over there. You see it. We getting the mist on this side, on that side, and it's mist right in front of me. So all four corners, you know what I'm saying, it's mist coming out. So let me turn it back up some and see what it looks like. It's a lot coming out now. I don't even need more than that, but let's see what it do. This is on 2 now. Man, that's a lot. It's 3 levels to it. 1, 2, and 3. Right now it's on 2. Let's turn it up a notch a little bit more. Full blast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yo, each one of those nozzles would have been enough. We got 4 of them coming from all angles. Just one of those nozzles, the amount of smoke is just coming out of one would have been enough. But we got mist coming from everywhere. Like I told you, this one was the best of the best of the best. The last one that I bought last year was the best of the best. But now, after a year, they come out with this. Even though I'm kind of mad I have to buy another one, but hey, if they got something better, why not go for that? You say it, you say it, you say it. Mad love and respect, peace and love, and we up out of here.